In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear inside door handle. On this Ford Flex, you'll have one of these on each of your rear doors. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To gain access to this door handle, we're going to have to remove the entire rear door panel. To remove the door panel, we're going to start up at the inside door handle. If you were to pull on this a little bit, you're going to find that you have a plastic protective door behind here. We'll use a small hook tool and grab onto this and give it a little tug. At this point, we can remove that. We'll give it a quick inspection and set that aside. Behind it, you'll notice that you have a 10mm headed bolt. Remove it. Now we can move down behind the grab handle. We'll remove this plastic cover as well. Just grab it with our small angled pick and pull that out of place. Have a look at the back side. Along the bottom is where the two hooks would be located. Along the top you should have two plastic locks. Quick inspection, set that aside. Behind it you have another 10mm headed bolt. Let's get that out of there. Now we're going to continue on removing some screws that are going to be making their way along the door panel. You'll find one that's hidden behind this plastic panel. We'll just use a small screwdriver and pull that out of place. Along the bottom there should be a small hook, and on the top there is a red lock. Behind that you're going to find a Phillips head screw. Remove it. Continue on along the bottom of the door panel. You're going to find two more Phillips head screws. With all the screws out of the way, it's time to dislodge the door panel. To do that, I'm going to carefully reach underneath here and give this a little tug. If you find that you're having a hard time pulling it away, you can also use a plastic trim tool. Now with the door panel at an angle, lift it straight up and off, keeping in mind that we do still have a cable and some wiring attached. With the door panel dislodged from the door, we're going to start disconnecting the cable. On this cable, you're going to have to use some long nose pliers. Come right along the back side of this bracket, and on the blue area, you'll find that you have two small tabs that you can grab onto, give those a little squeeze, and pull this out of place. Once you have it popped out of place, go ahead and take it and slide it through this groove. We'll continue on and pull it out of the rest of the handle. Give that cable a quick inspection. We will be reusing this. Now, being careful not to drop the door panel because we do still have wiring attached, we want to pay attention along this aspect of the inside door handle. You'll find that you have a little plastic clip. With a small screwdriver, you can gently pop that out of place. Now we can take hold of this and pivot it out of place. And there it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install that inside door handle. We'll take this and slide it into position. Have a look along the inside of that door panel. It's time to reconnect the cable. Slide this directly down inside the slot and pivot it over. Now we'll press in the blue connector. Listen for a click and make sure that's nice and secure. Bring the door panel up into the proper position so you can put it up and over the door lock knob. This part can be a little bit hard to line up. Now we'll bring this over, press it up against the door. While coming down at an angle, we're going to slide it into the proper position. Feel all the way around to make sure that it is secured directly up against the door, and we'll continue on with our mounting screws. Continue on to your Phillips head screws, making their way all the way around that door panel. For this top one, we want to make sure that we reinstall that red plastic panel with the little hook facing down. Listen for a click, make sure that's secure, make your way to the bottom of the door panel. Continue making your way around the panel. Continue on to the 10mm headed mounting bolt underneath the grab handle. Install your plastic cover, making sure that you have those plastic hooks facing down. Now we can resecure that inside door handle with another 10mm headed bolt. Install that plastic cover as well. Okay friends, we fully installed our inside door handle. At this point, you want to make sure you test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.